Chef Boyardee, going to show you how to make a ham and cheese breakfast bake. So you need 1 bag of hash browns, cheese, ham, you can use whatever kind of meat you want, a dozen eggs, and a sweet Vidalia onion, and 1 cup of milk. So lay your hash browns out across the bag. Put in whatever amount of cheese that you like. I just do 1 layer over top of the hash browns. I don't like a terrible amount of cheese, just enough to cover the hash browns like that. Add your sweet Vidalia onion. And I already beat the 12 eggs. I'll add 1 cup of milk to this, stir it again. I got to cut the Canadian bacon up and put that in there. Then once you get your meat cut, or whatever meat that you're using, and put on top, season it. I did a little pepper, salt, and I like a little cayenne pepper myself. And then you're just going to take your dozen eggs with the cup of milk and pour it in here. Just like that, and then give it a good mix. Once you got it all nice and mixed, I make it nice and level. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 hour. All right, this is finished. Let's get it out the oven. There you have it. It's good if you got a lot of people coming over, or if you got kids and just need a quick breakfast for a couple days. It's good just to reheat in the microwave for a minute. Enjoy. If you like this, like it and share.